How to grow big vegetables. Whether you are new to gardening, or have been gardening for years, the goal of growing vegetables is to grow big, juicy fruits that provide the nutrition and flavor your family expects. There is no magic substance to create big vegetables, unless of course you grow a variety that produces large fruit, but if you follow good gardening techniques, you will produce healthy, robust fruit brimming with flavor. Things you will need: soil test kit, garden tiller, water-soluble fertilizer. Select an area for your garden that is well drained and receives full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Observe the area throughout the day, and keep in mind that trees may cast a shadow on the area once they have leaved out fully. Avoid any areas where the soil remains soggy after rain, or has standing water in early spring. Test your soil prior to preparing the garden bed. Purchase an inexpensive kit at your local hardware or home improvement store to perform your own soil test. Follow the instructions included in the kit for testing the soil. Contact your local university cooperative extension office to have your soil tested professionally, if you prefer. For a small fee, you can send a soil sample to them for analysis. Prepare the garden bed by tilling to a depth of 8 to 10 inches. Remove any rocks or other debris. Add any recommended amendments and work them in well. Plant seeds or seedlings following the recommended depth and spacing. Avoid the temptation to overcrowd vegetables, as this will inhibit growth and reduce the size of fruit. Provide adequate water. Plants require more water during fruit production. Failure to provide adequate water will inhibit the growth of your vegetables. As a general rule, allow the soil to dry slightly before watering. Some plants require more or less water. Always refer to the growing needs of your specific vegetable plants. Apply water-soluble fertilizer every 2 weeks throughout the summer to boost growth and encourage fruiting. Fertilizers high in phosphorus promote blooming and fruit formation. Those high in nitrogen encourage lush, green foliage, but may inhibit fruiting. Remove all weeds that grow near your plants. Not only do they make it difficult to harvest vegetables, they rob them of valuable nutrients and moisture. Pull weeds from the roots or cut them with the blade of a hoe. Use care not to disturb the roots of your vegetables. Monitor your garden closely for any signs of insects or disease, and treat promptly. Disease spreads quickly and can damage your entire crop if not dealt with immediately.